Here's everything you need to know about pouring a hot tub pad: specs, thickness, and rebar guide. Here's what you need to know. Hot tubs are heavy. If you don't reinforce your slab correctly, it will crack. Here's the engineering. Quick answer: standard concrete thickness is 4 inches for residential, 6 inches for heavy loads. Always compact the base and use proper reinforcement. Moving on to hot tub pad engineering, get it right or it will fail. Hot tubs weigh 3000-8000 plus pounds when filled. That's a massive point load on a small area. If your pad isn't engineered correctly, it will crack, settle, and potentially damage your hot tub. This guide covers the exact specifications, thickness, and reinforcement needed for a hot tub pad that actually works. Next up, why hot tub pads fail. Most hot tub pad failures happen because insufficient thickness, too thin to handle the load. No reinforcement, concrete cracks under the weight. Poor base, gravel base compacts and settles. Wrong PSI, weak concrete mix can't handle the load. Let's talk about critical specifications. These aren't suggestions, they're requirements for a pad that will actually work. Here's the deal with thickness. Minimum, 4 inches. Recommended, 6 inches. For large tubs, 8+ person 6 to 8 inches. Thinner pads will crack under the weight. The extra 2 inches provides significant additional strength and is worth the small cost increase. Now let's look at SI rating. Minimum, 3,500 psi. Recommended, 4,000 psi. For heavy tubs, 4,500 psi. Don't use standard 3,000 psi mix. Hot tubs require stronger concrete. The extra cost is minimal, but the strength difference is significant. Moving on to reinforcement. Required, rebar grid, not just wire mesh. Specification, number 4 rebar on 12-inch centers, both directions. Placement, 2 inches from bottom, 2 inches from top. Wire mesh isn't strong enough. You need rebar. The grid should extend to within 3 to 4 inches of all edges. Next up, size. The pad should be at least 6 to 12 inches larger than the hot tub on all sides. For a 7 by 7 foot tub, make the pad at least 8 by 8 feet. This provides stability and prevents edge failure. For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.